lost long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend to the end. I hope I'll be happy.
Okay guys, I just took my son to school and it's time to start my daily job as a homemaker. First of all, I'm taking out the laundry for washing this morning. I actually started my laundry yesterday, so I will be getting everything done today. I started with all the colored clothes yesterday, so I'm going to continue today as well. So once I'm done washing all the colored clothes, then I will now start with the whites and the sheets as well. I'm also out here collecting firewoods for the heater today, and also I will be cleaning the heater with you guys. Here in the village, the life here is slow. You do everything at your pace. This is one of the things I really love doing here, bringing in the firewood, sitting by the fireplace in the evening. And yeah, this is one of the things that I really love here, that you get to do things on your own, do the chores. It's beautiful here. Now that I'm done taking in the firewood, the next thing I'm just going to be doing is cleaning the heater. First of all, I'll be removing the ash from the heater. Once I'm done cleaning and removing all the ash from the heater, I will just start cleaning. So all I'm going to be using for this for the cleaning of this heater and the glass is just a sponge, Clean, and dishwashing liquid. Like I said before, I'm just going to be using Clean. I got this Clean from Amazon. This is actually for induction glass stove, so I'm also trying to use this on my heater. So all I'm doing is adding dishwashing liquid, which is already in the water, and also adding a bit of ash, and then with the Clean, you scrub it all around, and that is basically it. And then you clean with just clean water, and that is it. Usually clean my heater every day from the ash, but for the door I normally clean it once a week. But if need be, or if I burn firewood more than I need to burn, I usually clean maybe twice or thrice a week. So all depends on how much firewood I'm burning. But for the ash, I always clean every day. You can see how clean and shiny it looks already. So this is the third or fourth time I'm cleaning it. So you just keep changing the water until everything is well clean. And I'm also using a wet fiber cloth. I'm cleaning also the dining area. All I'm doing here is just removing all the dust, cleaning the chairs, hoovering, and I'll also be steam cleaning as well. And once I'm done doing this, I will now bring in the carpet, because I took the carpet out because of humidity to dry it a bit. I saw that today it's a good sunny day, so I hung the carpet outside. And I'll also be cleaning all the the area where the console table is. Everything has to be well dusted. You know, in usually in the winter, the atmosphere get too dusty as well. So also because of the heater, this place is always very, very dusty. So I always clean, do serious cleaning every day. I'm cleaning the glass with some glass spray, and I'm also using some universal spray. It's also a degreasing spray as well to remove all the dust and everything. I'm also hoovering the chairs and the dining chairs, so I will be reorganizing this place. Like I said before, just finished hoovering and cleaning all the dust. I'm steam cleaning right now, and once I'm done, I'm going to be reorganizing this place. Like you can see right now, I just brought in the carpet. I'm putting it back and putting everything back, and yeah. I'm also putting back the console table, as you can see, because I did remove the console table so I could clean very well that angle. Right now I'm decorating with some autumn flowers. Yes guys, it's autumn and we are decorating with some autumn flowers. You can see how beautiful it looks. I'm cleaning and decorating the console table as well with some beautiful autumn flowers, some candles, some books, and some decorative accessories as well. I'm also dusting and reorganizing the living area. I'm just removing, dusting, hoovering the Chesterfield sofa, removing the old pillows and organizing with some new pillows as well. I have the candles and those beautiful flowers there. And once I'm done doing all this, you will be seeing the outcome. So guys, this is our outcome, and if you do really love what you've seen on this channel, do let me know at the comment section what you think and what you really want to see on this channel. I really do want to hear from you guys. And also, if you've watched to this end and you are yet to subscribe, do subscribe and also hit the bell notification, and so that whenever I upload new videos, you will always get notified. Also cleaning my stove top with some degreasing spray here. Oh, almost fell out from my hand. So yeah guys, the next thing I'm going to be doing is cooking my crepes. So I'm going to be preparing my crepe. Before I put it in the oven, I'm adding or greasing it with some butter, and afterwards I will put that in the oven. So once it's ready, I'm just going to be pouring in my bechamel, and that will be basically it for this crepe. I did prepare this crepe last week and left some of it in the oven for whenever I need it, or like today that I really did need it. And yeah, all I did with the crepe was the fillings I did use for this crepe is just a bit of spinach and some ricotta cheese. I'm also preparing this bechamel, the bechamel for these crepes, and that will be basically it. And yeah, Once it's poured on top, it's ready to be eaten. You can see how crunchy it looks. Do let me know at the comment section if you do really like this recipe or this dish. I'll put the recipe for you at the comment section. Also did wash the filter for the dicing. That's what I'm washing right now. I also love cleaning my sink after each wash or each use. I love using degreasing spray to dry it up to make sure there are no grease on my sink. So this is how I maintain my sink. Also prepare some boiled chicken with the crock pot for dinner. So this is the strawberries that I cleaned, and I will be putting them away in this little refrigerator organizer. I'm also taking my vitamins to boost my energy. I'm starting with the ironing right now. This is the last on my today's to-do list. So I've already arranged and folded some of the clothes I thought needed to be folded. These are the little ones I felt needed to be pressed. So once I'm done pressing, I think I'm done for the day. As a housewife and as a homemaker, these are things that I do on a daily basis, or chores that I do on a daily basis that I really do find joy in doing. Homemaking is not just, arranging home. It follows with chores and every other thing at home. Homemaking as well is a task that must be fulfilled in a given time. These are my folding techniques on how to fold my tracksuit and my sweatshirt. This is how I fold them. For me, for my kid and my husband, this is how I fold everything to make everything look nice in the wardrobe or in the drawers. Hope you find this folding technique helpful to you. I got this mini pressing board from Amazon recently. It's really easy to use. You can use it anywhere, even on the floor, wherever you feel you want to use it. So it really helps me a lot. So to close down my day, I'm going to be taking some refreshing tea. As you all may have known, we are in the tea season, so I'm taking some refreshing tea to make my day. Thanks for watching to the end. I'll be seeing you guys in my next one. Ciao, ciao, you guys.